If you're looking for a job that will help you make more money, then digital marketing is a great option. In Germany, there are many opportunities for those who want to work in this field. If you are looking for these types of jobs, then please subscribe our channel for more video like this. Digital marketing jobs in Germany. Looking for a digital marketing job in Germany? There are plenty of opportunities available, especially if you have the right skills. The pay for digital marketing jobs in Germany for freshers is often good, and the work is interesting and challenging. There are many companies in Germany that are looking for talented digital marketers. The digital marketing industry is growing rapidly in Germany, and there are many opportunities for talented digital marketers. However, it can be difficult to find the right job for you. The best way to search for a job is to use a job portal like Indeed or LinkedIn. You can also check out company websites directly and see if they are hiring. Also, you can search job in different job websites like snaphunt.com and jobs.hellogermany.com. When applying for a digital marketing job in Germany, make sure that your CV is in German. As digital marketing jobs in Germany, English speaking is not quite often. You can find templates and tips online. The most important thing is to highlight your skills and experience in digital marketing. If you're not sure where to start, take a look at our playlist of the digital marketing courses. These courses will teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, from SEO to social media marketing. Digital marketing job, salary in Germany. Germany is a powerhouse in the digital marketing field. The country's economy is strong and its citizens are highly engaged in online activities. As a result, German companies are willing to invest in digital marketing initiatives, and employees with the necessary skills can expect to earn a good salary. In general, digital marketing jobs in Germany's salary are higher than average. For example, a recent study found that junior digital marketing managers can earn up to €60,000 per year, while experienced managers can make up to €100,000. Salaries for specialists such as web developers and online media buyers are also significantly higher than the national average. There are many reasons for this discrepancy. Firstly, Germany has a strong economy with high levels of consumer spending. Additionally, German companies are willing to invest in innovative digital marketing initiatives, which leads to greater demand for skilled employees. Digital marketing job scope in Germany. In Germany, digital marketing is a very popular and growing field. The social media marketing jobs in Germany scope for digital marketers in Germany is diverse, and includes responsibilities such as developing and executing online marketing campaigns, managing website content, and measuring and optimizing marketing results. Additionally, German digital marketers must keep up with the latest trends and technologies in the industry in order to be successful. As the field of digital marketing continues to grow in Germany, those who are skilled in this area will continue to be in high demand. Germany is one of the most important digital markets in Europe. The country has a population of over 81 million people and a GDP of more than $3.5 trillion. It is also one of the most technologically advanced countries in the world, with a high rate of internet and smartphone penetration. This makes Germany an attractive market for digital marketers. The job scope for digital marketing in Germany includes creating and managing online campaigns, designing and executing digital marketing plans. Also, measuring and analyzing web traffic and performance data, and optimizing websites for search engines. Final words. Digital marketers in Germany also need to be familiar with the German market, culture, and language. They need to understand the different habits and preferences of German consumers, as well as the different advertising laws and regulations that apply to the German market.